Okay, now we will discuss question number 14 from exercise 2.2. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination 100, 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. It means the denomination of 100 is in the ratio of 2, rupees 50 in the ratio of 3 and rupees 10 in the ratio of 5. So Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and 10 in the ratio of 2:3:5. So first one is rupees 100 in the ratio of 2, then rupees 50 in the ratio of 3, then rupees 10 in the ratio of 5. Now the next thing is the total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 4 lakh rupees she is having. So we have to find out how many notes of each denomination does she have. So we have to find the number of notes, how many 100 notes are there, how many 50 rupees notes are there, and how many 10 rupees notes are there. We have to find out because the amount is what? 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. The amount is 4 lakh rupees. Okay. Okay, now we will write the solution. Let the number of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 be 2x, 3x and 5x. Why I have written 2x, 3x and 5x? Because rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 are in the ratio of 2:3:5. So first one, rupees 100 in the ratio of 2, that is why I have written 2x. Next was 3, that is why I have written 3x. And the last one was 5, so I have written 5x. Okay, now the next thing is value of rupees 100. So it was given, the value of 100 is given 2x, that is why we will multiply 2x with 100, so it becomes 200x. Then value of rupees, next is what? 50, so I will write 50 is equals to 3x into 50, that is 3 5s are 15, 150x. Okay, and then we will write the last value, value of 10. Now the value of 10 is what? 5x into 10. 5 10s are 50x. So the value of 100, that was in the ratio of 2:3:5. So that is why I have written 2x into 100, that is 200x. The next value was 50 in the ratio of 3, that is why I have multiplied 3x into 50. 3 5s are 15, that is 150x. And the last one was 5, that is and the value was 10. So 10 multiplied by 5x gives you 50x. Okay. Lakshmi is a cashier. How much money the cashier was having? So Lakshmi was having, how much money she was having? She was having 4 lakh rupees. She was having 4 lakh rupees. Now we will move to according to the question. Now all the values which we are having, we will plus it. That will equals to 4 lakh, because all the money will total it gives you 4 lakh. So the first one was 200x, next was 150x and the last was 50x, gives you 4 lakh. Okay, now we will add all these values. 200 plus 150 is 350, 350 plus 50 is what? 400. X is equals to 4 lakh. Now x is equals to 4 lakh upon 400. 20 from here it will cancel. 4 ones are 0 0 0. So what is the answer now? So the value of x is what? 1000. Now we got the value of x. Now we have to find out number of 100 notes, number of 50 notes, and number of 10 notes. Now since the ratio was 2:3:5, for 2 we have written 2x, for 3 we have written 3x, and for 5 we have written 5x. So number of rupees 100 notes was 2x, and what we got the value of x is what? 1000. So what we will going to do, we will multiply 2 with 1000, so it gives you 2000. Okay, now number of rupees 50 is equals to what? 3x. So 3 multiplied by 1000, because the value of x is what? 1000. So it will become 3000. Now number of rupees 10 is what? 5x. So 5 I will multiply with 1000. So it becomes 5000. Now how many 100 notes we are having? 2000. How many 50 notes we are having? 3000. And how many 10 rupees notes we are having? 5000. So we come to know that 100 rupees, how many 100 rupees notes are there? 2000 notes are there of 100 rupees. 3000 notes are there of 50 rupees, and 5000 notes are there of 10 rupees. Okay.